In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge two Google business profiles into one clean, organized listing. If you've ever had duplicate profiles or multiple listings for the same location, this process will help you combine everything into one place. First, the most important thing to know is that both profiles must represent the same business at the same exact location. Google is strict about this because merging profiles affects reviews, photos, and other business information. To begin, you need to contact Google Support because only they can complete the merge. Head over to the Google Business Support page and open the support form. In the first drop-down menu, select the profile you want to merge into your main listing. This choice matters because the information from the main profile will be the one that stays after the merge. Next, type Merge Profile in the text box, then click the Next button. Google will show a list of suggested topics. Choose Merge Profiles to make sure your request is correctly identified. You may see some help articles on the screen. Take a quick look at them because they explain what happens during the merge and what to watch out for. It's worth reading to avoid any surprises. Before you go any further, double-check that both listings share the same address and business name. This is essential because merging combines everything, including reviews, photos, and other business data, into one profile. Once everything looks correct, you'll reach the final step where you can send an email request to Google Support asking them to merge the profiles. After you send it, wait for their response. They will guide you through the next steps or ask for additional information if needed. And that's how you merge Google Business Profiles. It keeps your listing accurate and helps customers find you more easily. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.